Guys, so I thought to talk about some of the masks that we have just released at the shop, and these are part of the G mask collection. So this one that I'm wearing right now is called Seren, and basically it's a cloth mask, but the great thing about it is that the shape allows for breathability, so it's not like super close to your mouth that it's suffocating. The great thing about it too is that the straps on the sides are not adjustable, but they're actually pretty flexible enough and they feel comfortable. So on the inside we've got like a satin type finish, and over here we've got a slot for the filter. So this makes it very, very safe. Here's the filter. I'm going to pull it out. Here is another one. This is the Pavana mask. So once again, it's very easy to use and very breathable, and it's just got like a right size for a shape of the face. So this is the Pavana mask, and then we've got the Cali. So the great thing about these is that you can basically match it with what you're wearing, so that if you want to kind of, have like a black and white outfit, then you can choose something like this. And this is the Yara. These are actually goddess names, hence G mask. And so these series were released just February of this year. So this is part of the winter collection of protective masks at DIYmoon shop. And this is one way for us as a shop to help promote keeping you guys safe and healthy, so that you have more days, more years to continue enjoying the hobby of diamond painting. And so as you can see, I have no problem speaking. You can understand what I'm saying. It doesn't seem like I'm muffled, and it's very easy for me to breathe. And once again, all of these masks, the G masks, have that slot for the filter, and the purchase of each of these masks will come with 2 filters that you can use right away. Now we have another type of mask, and this is the S mask, which stands for sequined. So this too has a slot for a filter right over here, and these come in several colors. So this one is in gold, there's another one that is in silver, and then another one in black, and then another one in a rainbow. So if you're off to a party, for example, so long as you put in a filter on the inside, you are ready to go, and definitely will stand out in a crowd with your extra sparkle. Not only does it keep you safe and protected, but you also get to stand out in a crowd and stay fashionable. So this is the S mask Gold. And finally, let me introduce you to the other type of mask, and this is the F mask. This has the adjustable strap, as you can see, which is great. And this one doesn't have the space for the filter, but you will get a disposable mask free with each purchase of these masks. So the way to wear it is, this would be the right side up. As you can see, this is the shape, so this would be on the bottom, and this is to cover the nose. So let's go and check it out. I may need to stretch out the ear loop. So the most important thing when purchasing masks is that you have ear loops that are either adjustable like these, or that they are stretchable like with these ones, so that it provides the utmost comfort. So these are the F masks. So if you want to be a bit more flowery, kind of got a dainty sort of look going on that you want, you've got like a flowery dress, and this is definitely the perfect mask to pair with that. And once again, it's also very breathable. As you can see, I can talk with no problem. So hopefully these kind of give you guys an idea as to the new masks that we have released at the shop for winter of 2021. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just jot them down in the comment section below, and I'll go on ahead and jump on my computer and respond to those questions as soon as I possibly can. If you like my videos, you like my channel, please go on ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified of the next new video we upload soon. In the meantime, check out our shop, DIYmoonshop.com. It's down below. Just click on that link, and I shall see you next time. My name's Rana. Bye!